Hi there. I just wanted to make a video because I got a very exciting package in the mail today. It is Emily Temple Cutes 2003. I think it's Parfait Embroidery OP. So I'm really excited to see it. Okay. I actually have not even seen anyone else cord this dress, so I have no inspiration. I just gotta cord it myself. Wow. I definitely need to take a lint roller to it. Definitely feels old. No shearing. No waist ties. Well, actually it does have shearing in the front here. No shearing on the back though. White lace here. Nice sleeves. And now here's the beautiful embroidery. It has little cherries here. Yeah, and then there's the Emily Temple Cute tag. Yeah, I own an Emily Temple Cute skirt, but it's not Lolita, it's just casual. It's actually a denim skirt. So this is my first Lolita piece from the brand. So it's pretty thin, but not like too thin, but yeah, I think it'll be really good for the summertime. I thought, oh, the perfect dress for getting ice cream in. So I'm super excited to add this dress to my wardrobe. So thanks for watching.